Beta version 4.1 of Elementor has just come out, and they've made a big, significant change. It was to the classes. We had a 100 class limit. And I know a lot of people weren't happy about that. Well, now we can have up to 1,000. Please do remember, you're not going to see this on your current Elementor versions unless you are using the beta. So even if you're not using the beta, it is coming very, very soon. So let me just show you. If I go and drop this heading in and I go over to style, I can obviously start adding in my styles. Now, I've added in a ton of styles at the moment. I'm going to go and add in dummy 99 and click create. Why is that significant? Because if I go over to my class manager, you're going to see here that I've got 104 classes created. Trust me, a lot of them are dummies. But before, when you were trying to create 101, it stopped you. It said you can't do that. Well, now we can go over 100 and you can go up to 1,000. Now, some of you might say 1,000 still isn't enough. I'm going to be honest here. If you need more than 1,000, I think you need to rethink your framework and exactly what you're doing. Anyway, I'm Imran Web Squadron. Beta version 4.1 Elementor is going to allow you to now have up to 1,000 classes.